Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Thanks for taking the time to click on my video. We're going to unbox the Vettsy January nail art box. Yeah, just from first opening it up, I'm not sure how I feel. I think this is probably the least cohesive box I've received, so let me know if your box was different. I really was surprised to see some Halloween stickers. A little unusual, but that's okay. A lot of other cool stuff in here. Let me know what your favorite is. Let me know what was the same in your box. If you do get this box too, let me know what was different. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next.
Snowflakes falling on my head, winter magic as we tread, footprints making trails anew in this wonderland with you. Icicles hang from every tree, frozen rivers set them free, frosty breath in harmony, winter's song our melody. We're living in a winter wonderland, holding tight, hand in hand, lost in a frosty fairyland. Together we can understand. Northern lights spark in the sky, blues and greens that catch the eye, whispered secrets in the breeze, frozen moments, memories. We're living in a winter wonderland, holding tight, hand in hand, lost in a frosty fairyland. Together we can understand. Northern lights spark in the sky, blues and greens that catch the eye, whispered secrets in the breeze, frozen moments, memories. We're living in a winter wonderland, holding tight, hand in hand, lost in a frosty fairyland. Together we can understand. Snowmen stand like silent guards, fireplaces warm our hearts, every flake a part of our winter spell, a perfect start. We're living in a winter wonderland, holding tight, hand in hand, lost in a frosty fairyland. Together we can understand. We're living in a winter wonderland, holding tight, hand in hand, lost in a frosty fairyland. Together we can understand. Northern lights spark in the sky, blues and greens that catch.
Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.
Frozen moments, memories. Northern lights spark in the sky, blues and greens that catch the eye, whispered secrets in the breeze, frozen moments, memories.